Hey guys, Austin the Plumber here. I'm going to show you on the Delta monitor shower valves. When you're rebuilding them, a lot of times this dome cap will be frozen. You see I tried breaking it loose. You don't want to try and loosen it if it's too tight, because it'll end up causing damage inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cut it right here, a slit, and it'll pop open, relieving the pressure. Then I can unscrew it. So I'll show you here in a minute what I'm talking about. Okay, so I cut a slit in it. You see it there. You see the slit there. Yeah, but anyway, okay. There's the slit. Now I'm going to try and put my screwdriver in there, flathead, try and pop it. Not yet. We're not through yet. There it is, just popped it. There, see that flexes now? Now, should be able to. Make sure you turn the water off before you temp this. And should be able to loosen it. Oop, there we go. Watch that, see? And then boom. I'm going to show you guys why you want to do that. This guy's no good, he's trash. Okay, you got your ball, your rubber washer there. Okay, and then in there, you got your two cups, hot cup, cold cup, spring. You're gonna not want to make sure you hurt these threads, which I didn't. I nicked it right there, but it won't make a difference. You do not want to go through that, then you've lost the battle. But if you look back here, you see those 3/8 copper tubes back right there. That's the only thing that's holding it to the actual valve body. And they'll twist before this nut will come loose. And if it twists, the valve's going to have to be completely replaced, which means you have to open up a wall or all kinds of stuff, you know, and homeowner's probably not going to be too happy. So, Austin Plumber, that's how you change out a Delta dome cap that is being stubborn. Thanks. Alright guys, here's our new dome cap. Alright, got that local hardware store. Here's the old one that I had to split. There's the old there, and there's a new one. Here's our tool for putting it together. Here's our new cups and springs, which are the main part that went bad. I'll show you the easiest way to get the old ones out. What you want to do is take a Phillips head screwdriver, medium to small size, and actually stick it right in there and pop it out. There it is, there's your old one. And you'll install the new one the same way. You take your Phillips and boom. There it is. That. I'll take it and stick it right in there. I'm going to hold it with my finger and push it in the rest of the way by hand, feeling it. And there it is. It's in there. That's the part that went bad right there. That's the hot side. Let me do the cold side. Okay, got the cold side out. Alright. Okay. There it is again, new one. Popping him in. Right there. Okay, feel it. And he's in there. That's what we want to feel. So it pushes in and out properly. And it looks like that. Also make sure you want to replace this O-ring. Let's pop that out of the groove. Like so. Get him all the way off there. If you can. one-handed like I am. It is a challenge, but it can't be done. All right, I got it off. I'll put another O-ring on there. Give me a skinnier one in this case. Kit comes with both styles. See if you guys can put it on there one-handed, like me. Okay. Boom. It's in there. I already put some grease on it. Make sure you put some plumber's grease on it. Any rubber. Boom, there's that. I'm gonna take our... Okay, so I got this in my hand right here. This has a groove. See that groove right there? Okay, that groove goes to the right side. Right there, see that groove? Put it in. Now this one, I'm going to set the phone down. You got that, and you got to take your dome cap. Make sure that the seat right here is loose, so you can see threads coming out of it. It'll be flush with the chrome when it's said and done. So I'm going to try this like this. No guarantees here. So, oh, hang on, you got to put your barrel on. There's the barrel. Put that guy on. Oop. Barrel's on. Make sure this guy goes all the way in, as he will. Let me line up right there. There. That groove. Okay. Dome cap. Okay. Don't want to force it. It's going. Okay, that's about how tight you want it by hand. I might put a quarter turn on it later, but that's just by hand there. Okay, so now make sure this is functioning as it is, and you're going to want to put some water to it, and then that'll help make everything nice. Make sure this collar is not too tight, as mine is right now. So you use your special tool that the kit comes with, right here. You loosen this collar. Try and do it with one hand. Challenge. Come on. Okay. It's a lot better. Okay. This collar should not be tight until you want it tight. Come on. Come on. Okay, that's feeling better. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Now I'm going to just make sure it's in the off position. As it is. We're going to go turn the water on. When we come back, there should be nothing coming out of that shower head. So, go out here, turn the water on, and we'll be right back. Gotta go out to the meter. Some of these have individual shutoffs at the valve. This one didn't. And this particular house, the water meter is out by the street. Sometimes houses will have shutoffs at the house as well. Okay, right here, here's our meter. Okay, I can hear it flowing now. We're gonna go Okay. Here we are. No water coming out. Initial problem, water was steadily dripping out. So now we're gonna gauge it properly. Make sure we got no leaks here, as we don't. And that's about it, guys. We'll put our handle back on and then check it, make sure that that comes to a stop. As it pretty much did instantly, which is cool. We fixed the problem. Alright guys, Austin the Plumber, checking out.